In this video, you'll learn how to change the screen timeout settings on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. By adjusting this setting, you can control how long your screen remains active when not in use, which can help manage battery life and improve usability. Start by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can find the Settings icon either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the app, look for the option labeled Display and tap on it. This will take you to the display settings where various options related to your screen's appearance and behavior are available. Next, scroll down the display settings until you see the screen time option. This setting determines the duration your screen stays on when the device is inactive. Selecting this option allows you to manage both battery consumption and how you interact with your device. Ensure you are in the correct section before moving forward. Tap on Screen Timeout to reveal the list of available time options. You will typically see choices such as 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and possibly longer durations. Consider your usage habits when selecting a duration. Shorter time frames are effective for conserving battery life, while longer durations may be beneficial during activities like reading or watching videos. Once you've made your selection, the change will take effect immediately. After you've chosen your preferred timeout duration, exit the settings menu by tapping the back arrow or the home button. Allow your phone to remain idle for the duration you selected to test if the screen turns off as expected. This is an important step to ensure that the feature is functioning correctly. If it does not behave as anticipated, you may need to revisit the settings and make further adjustments. Your screen timeout setting is now configured according to your preference. This adjustment will help optimize your device's performance and battery efficiency based on your individual needs. Remember to periodically check this setting if you notice any changes in your usage patterns or battery life. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.